paintings from the prehistoric era. Their paintings were found inside a cave, which may have been their way of communicating with each other. It may also for religious or ceremonial purposes. The painting of Lascaux may be an artifact of the archaeological evidence, a true picture of humans first created. Prehistoric drawings of animals were usually correct in proportion. Cave of Lascaux, 5000 to 10,000 BC, Stone Age image from Treasures of the World, 1961, CCP Library. The dominant features in the painting were large animals native in the region. It was discovered on September 12, 1940 and given statutory historic monument protection. The painting has nearly 2,000 figures composed of mainly animals, human figures, and abstract design. Some sections had been identified inside the cave, such as the Great Hall of the Bulls, lateral passage, the shaft of the Dead Man, chamber of engravings and painted gallery, and the chamber of felines. Yun.